Go over there. Show me. I'll watch from here. You having fun? Whose birthday is it?
Can I say Daddy's birthday? Daddy's birthday. So when you do like this.
Okay, do it. Ready?
Daddy's birthday.
Good job, buddy. How old are you?
5.
Yeah? Are you in kindergarten?
What?
Are you in kindergarten?
Yes.
Wow. Good job, buddy. What's your brother's name? You don't know?
My name is Princess. Then that.
What's your brother's name?
I don't know.
Pumbee.
No, what's his magic name?
Pumbee.
No?
Prince Pumbee. You're silly.
Dad, come see. Come on.
See what?
Come on, I want to show you.
Show me here from here. What is it? Is it the lady in the tree?
No. Those are squirrels in the tree. Come on, Dad.
You say goodbye? Say goodbye to the camera.
Bye, goodbye, camera.